Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear all likes on YouTube. So let's get right into it. Head over to your YouTube application. Once you're there, head over to your YouTube profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then just tap on Google account. Go to data and privacy. Go to YouTube history. And then just scroll down and go to manage history. And then go to interactions. Tap on video likes and dislikes. And here you go, the videos that you have liked. All you need to do is just to tap on the cross icons, and then that specific likes on your YouTube will be deleted. This is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.